So if you guys were to get approved for an unlimited credit card, if it's truly unlimited, that means that you could use it on anything. Sometimes you guys may see like I believe it's like Citibank or Chase. Um you'll see like their unlimited credit card. That means unlimited rewards, unlimited cash back. So the more that you guys use your card, you guys will continue to get unlimited cash back. Some of these credit cards have like capped cash back, like Discover, up to $1,500 in a quarter or something like that. But if it's an unlimited cash back card, then that means you guys can get unlimited cash back. They don't care how much money you spend. If you spend $1 billion, they're going to give you that cash back on those purchases. Now let's go ahead and look at that. This was my kickoff account that we were looking at. So let's go ahead and type unlimited here so we can find that account, because it's not. So this is the unlimited cash reward. So Bank of America, you guys get unlimited cash rewards. That's what you guys get. That's unlimited. And yet it is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. You just get unlimited. The rewards are unlimited. Let's go ahead and click apply now, because I know that could be confusing to you guys, but it's just basically the unlimited cash back that you guys are going to receive on this credit card. So unlimited 1.5% cash back is just the beginning. You guys are going to get the unlimited 3% cash back on dining. That's unlimited. Earn 3% on drugstore purchases, 5% on travel purchases through the Chase Unlimited Ultimate Rewards, and then 1.5% cash back on all your purchases. Now, like I said, the reason why they have to say unlimited is because sometimes you don't get unlimited. So let's check out that Discover so you can see what I mean by it's not unlimited. Like there's not a cap on it. So let's go to their credit cards. We can go to their cashback card. So you're gonna earn 5% cash back from at Amazon and digital wallets. And with theirs, they have like a cash back for certain periods. Like every quarter, they're gonna switch it up. They're gonna do different things. So it's December now. So at the end of this year, the last time they're going to do Amazon and digital wallets. They're going to probably start that up again next year, but it's going to be up to $1,500 in purchases. So after that $1,500 in purchases, you're going to get regular 1% cash back. They're not going to let you get 5% unlimited cash back. That's what that means, unlimited. That means I don't care how much you spend, but as you can see right here, Discover cares what you spend. It's not going to be unlimited. But if it is, if you're referring to like unlimited credit card, if they say it's unlimited in terms of your purchases, that means you must have some unlimited money. And then you guys can get unlimited. You don't have a limit on your